This this is the last video of Poppy Playtime Chapter 1, so you'll never see me playing Poppy Playtime Chapter 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Because this is the last video, because we're gonna beat this game. I'm gonna skip this game. I'm gonna miss y'all. I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna quit until I say so. So, I already know the code. I think it was green, pink, yellow, red. Grab this blue tape for this. Just give me the damn backpack. Tiny distracts. Hold both cannons. Hold trigger to fire. Pull again to retrap. Hold. I didn't even get to read it. Only fire or small objects handles. Do not fire at the code. Despite this, fire is conducted. Use for rewiring. Move this chair. My son so damn give me the grab pack. I like grab because it's my favorite. My goal is to beat every single chapter, and now this is chapter 1. My son so damn like you. What's up, Huggy? You ready, Huggy? He just disappears. So where the Steam jump scare? We ain't scared of you, Steam. We already know what you're about to do, Steam. So y'all don't know where this tape goes. So when I was playing this game without recording, I found the tape near this shelf. That's why y'all cannot find it. So if you wanna watch it, it was like about Rich and a coworker, I think. What's up, Huggy? Give me that. How did I pass out? There's so many things to do. Huggy Wuggy is the most. Huggy Wuggy is my favorite It's freaking damn too loud. In PC, I keep stuttering. In PC, like in PC, there's like the red tape there that leads to that, but in mobile, the only tape is right there. Ah, my hand, it's stuck. There you go.
Hawak mo, Andre. Init-init ako.
I wanna just do that. This is a first puzzle. All times. What you looking at, mate? So that makes the toy, and this machine used to scan a toy. I am excited for beating Poppy Playtime Chapter 1 for the first time. Cause where his name was, Gus. You could just grab it through the glass, don't you know? Huggy is so scary. Hold up. Dang, I forgot my volume was too low. Aksam Shugs Wanje. Get up. I don't really speak that a lot of English right now. Free money is coming. 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 Hell yeah. Why am I getting a heart attack? Now look back. Just look in front of you. Don't Crouch. Crouch. Go. Yes. Oh! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Baba. Dang! This is actually my first time beating it, guys. I'm actually having a panic attack, I'm not gonna lie. Lemon? Lemon! Is that lemon? Wait, that looks like lemon. That is lemon. Oh man, but there's an invincible barrier. I got a tape. I still have my toy and my VHS tape. No, run, no, stop, danger, go back, turn around, run. No, stop, stop. I don't stop, I keep going because I want to beat the game. It's been a day, hey. This time. Yeah, there's a door behind this. And we still cannot open this. This is actually my first time beating this game. Oh, why your eyes look like that? Still can't see Papi, you know that. Okay, we beat the game. Thanks for watching, everyone. I didn't even get a thumbnail of Huggy Wuggy. But maybe later.